Yo, what is good, my people? Welcome to Wally's Welding World. I'm the Weld Professor, and today I'm getting on here to make a badass announcement, man. I'm super stoked, I'm super honored, I'm super thankful, and I couldn't be even more ecstatic if I tried to be, but I want to get on here and I want to make an announcement. So, I got invited out to Kentucky Welding Institute to be a judge in the high school welding competition, so I'm extremely honored, I'm thankful, I feel blessed, I'm very thankful for this opportunity to come out there and critique the high school students, why they weld. But I got some great news, guys. So I'm not only the only judge, of course, right? I got a great buddy coming out there. My buddy John, as you guys know him, aka Stack and Iron LLC, as well is going to be out there judging with me. So we're both going to be critiquing the heck out of you welders. You better step your game up, because you better believe if you ain't top notch, you just might not make it. But it's okay, because they do have prizes for second and third place. But let me tell you guys something. First place just got anteed up. So let's go for the gold. If you're going to go for the gold, you might as well go for this gold. So top winner gets a $10,000 scholarship to the Kentucky Welding Institute. And they're also going to win an SA-200 rebuilt by Scott, the Welder Whisperer. Oh, man. This is going to be awesome. I'm like extremely excited to meet my good buddy Scott from Welder Whisper, to meet my good buddy John, Stack and Iron. This is just going to be awesome, man. These are some good friends of mine on Instagram that we've never really got to meet, but we're going to meet. We're all going to meet up at the Kentucky Welding Institute, and we're going to be critiquing the heck out of all these welders, man, because we want the top-notch welder to win. It's going to be fair. It's $20 entry, guys. I would suggest, if you're in high school, to get signed up. If you're by the close states, come out to the state and sign up and go for the gold. You have the opportunity to win a scholarship and a welding machine. I'm pretty sure second place and third place as well get some kind of money as a scholarship, so they're not out as completely. But check it out, guys. This is going to be awesome. I'm super stoked about coming out there. I invite all my people to come out there and be rooting for these guys, man. It's going to be a great time. We're going to have a barbecue. I mean, people are going to be hanging out and meeting. I got some merch I'm going to be bringing out there. My buddy Stack and Iron's got merch he's going to be bringing out there. It's going to be a great time, guys. I'm telling you, you don't want to miss this opportunity. I'm extremely excited, and I hope you guys are too, man. It's going to be awesome. Anyways, I just wanted to let you guys know that it just got anteed up even more. Now first place is going to be able to win their own SA-200 rebuilt by the Welder Whisperer, and I know what the machine is going to be. It's going to be bad. It's going to be a really cool machine. So anyways, just wanted to get on here and let you guys know that if you're going to be around in the area on the 27th of April, come out to the Kentucky Welding Institute and hang out with us. It's going to be on a Saturday. If you're not there to compete, just come and hang out and meet. It'll be great, guys. I can't wait to see everybody. It's going to be fantastic. We're going to have a blast. I guarantee it. We're going to have a blast. So, see you there, guys. Peace out.